Today I'm going to teach you about how to use your iPhone's home button when it's broken. So basically my home button doesn't work very well, and instead of buying a new phone, if you go into settings and you scroll down to general, scroll down to accessibility, and go down to assistive touch. Yours will probably be off, but you can turn it on and you'll notice a button pop up. What that'll do for you is once you press it, you can just go straight to home. You can move it all around as much as you like, and when you turn on your phone, oops, let's move that, it'll be right there. It's always going to be on top. If you go and, web browse, it'll always be on top as well. And that's it.